Hey everyone, Scott with G Reviews. Today to install the Go Rhino RB20s on the 2018 Toyota Tundra TRD Sport. Let's do it. I already really like them, and that bed coat, that bed lining that's nice and grippy. As you can see, it kind of tapers. So this is the front, so it's pretty wide here. It's kind of a 3 wide and actually even a little bit more. And then so it gets a little bit narrower and narrower toward the back. It's still very hefty, still very heavy duty. And then also we have this awesome Rhino emblem in the back here, but I'll take that off once I actually get the thing installed. But on a whole, not that heavy. Heavy duty, but not heavy. So anyway, I'll go put this on the other side and we'll get started on the driver's side here. Got the 2 sets of mounts for each side, and then we also have, see there's a couple different types of bracket, and then you also have screws. And again, it's pretty basic mounting instructions, but it shouldn't be too bad. Like I said, there's 4 mounts on each side, and there are 2 bolts per mount. Shouldn't take too long. Get under here and kind of show you here. Here you actually have, you can see them here, they're kind of rusted, but there's 2 bolts here, and then there's another 2 bolts right there. You can see that, and they kind of just go down from there. So, there's all the bolts. I'll go ahead and just do a quick time lapse here of actually installation. Here is just a quick time lapse of me installing the driver's side running board mounts. And as you can see, essentially what I'm doing is unscrewing the pretty rusted bolts out of the Tundra, and I am using the hardware that came with the kit. Some people say just reuse the existing Tundra screws that were in the truck already. I just went ahead and just used the new stuff, so we'll see how that works for me. So far I've had it on the truck for about, I'm gonna say a month, and nothing has been loose. And I did put some Loctite in there. The instructions didn't necessarily say to put Loctite, but I did put Loctite, so you might want to do that when you install it. So here I am, kind of just test fitting the running board. And you want to do this before you actually install it. You want to make sure that it's in a good spot, it looks good, because it is adjustable. So just make sure you do that before you actually go ahead and tighten everything down. Hey guys, so just wanted to show you specifically kind of what we're doing down here. So we have the bracket, right? This is the second to the front one. The front one's right here. Driver's door is right up above us here. So this is the bracket. We have the 2 holes right here. Take a bracket, one of these brackets, right? And then we basically stick it up like that, right? And we position the holes above the bracket, and then we stick the 2 screws in there. I've been putting a little bit of Loctite in there. Everything is still loose. I haven't tightened anything up yet, but as soon as I'm done with these 2, once I put the bracket in here and I put that bracket in right there, then I'll go ahead and make sure everything looks great, and then I will tighten everything up. Here I am tightening the bolts on the running board, and you just repeat the process on the other side. Alright guys, and that is what they look like on the truck. I personally think they look awesome, and I did get the bed liner material. It's a little bit more expensive, but definitely it's a lot more grippy, especially in the rain. And as you can see, they kind of taper back. They're definitely the widest up here in the front next to the driver's seat, and they kind of taper back there a little bit next to the passenger. But as I showed you in the video, there are these 4 brackets with 2 screws on each one that go into the frame. I mean, that's basically how they are. You can certainly adjust them. I personally think they look great. And again, I just have a stock ride height Tundra. It's not like I have it lifted or anything like that, but still it definitely makes it easier for, you know, shorter people or whatever to get up into the truck. But anyway, I really like them, and I'll go ahead and do a kind of review a little bit later, but again, this is just the installation. Take care. Thanks for watching.